Various kinds of freedom. Personal freedom. Personal freedom begins when we stop seeking permission to be ourselves. Political freedom. True democracy is not just the right to vote, but the power to be heard. Economic freedom. Economic freedom is not wealth itself, but the dignity of choosing your own path to it. Intellectual freedom. The freest mind is the one that questions everything, even his own beliefs. Emotional freedom. Emotional freedom is learning to feel without being ruled by what you feel. Creative freedom. Creative freedom isn't doing whatever you want. It's having the courage to express what only you can. Spiritual freedom. Spiritual freedom is the quiet joy of living without fear of what lies beyond. Freedom from fear. Freedom from fear is not the absence of danger, but the refusal to be imprisoned by it. Social freedom. Social freedom means being able to stand tall without needing to stand alone. Freedom of expression. Freedom of expression is not the comfort of hearing your own voice echoed. It's the courage to let every voice heard, even when it challenges your own.